So 2025 was the year that was going to make you. You started this year with all the right intentions. No false New Year's resolutions bullshit. Just a commitment of a knowing inside that this is going to be the year that everything works out for me. This is the year that everything is finally going to click. And from January, at the start of this year, you've done everything you said that you were going to do, and probably more. And coming towards the end of 2025, you're probably in that position right now, looking back on the year and thinking, shit, was all that effort and all them sacrifices for nothing? If anything, things have probably gone more wrong than right. I've showed up, I've got up every day, I've done everything I said I was going to do, and I've hit wall after wall after wall. Every door that I've tried to go through, slammed shut. Finances that I thought were going to probably quadruple or multiply are probably slowly going down. And you're in this place thinking to yourself, God, was it all for nothing? I couldn't have done any more. I couldn't have tried any harder. And the point of me making this video is that you're not alone right now, and there's so many people this year feeling exactly the same, and I truly mean that. And I want to tell you honestly, from the bottom of my heart, that if you've showed up, and you know if you've showed up fully this year, and you haven't got the results of what you thought, just take some reassurance that you should be proud of yourself, that there was nothing more you could have done. You couldn't have tried any harder. You couldn't have. Maybe now is the time just to be proud of what you've done. And if you're watching this video, I truly believe that you have gave everything you have. So just be proud of that. And this year that you thought was going to make you has probably broke you more than anything else. And that's why it's so confusing at times. And I can relate because I feel exactly the same. But maybe 2025, you needed to be broken. Maybe you needed to have that mindset at the start of the year to say, right, this is my year. This is where everything turns. And you've hit hurdle after hurdle after hurdle, and you're exhausted right now. You've got not much left to give. And instead of being the year that made you, it's literally broke you. But the counterintuitive thing about this is that for you to come into your next timeline or your best version of self, everything that no longer serves you has to go. So maybe you're not living the life of your dreams or being exactly where you thought you were going to be this year, but I really want you to think about it with not too much judgment on yourself. Don't be harsh on yourself, but just look back and the things that have dismantled and the challenges you've faced and the things that have been stripped away from you. Just ask yourself honestly, could them things come with you in your highest version of self? And I would bet more than likely that a lot of them things that have been stripped away from you, although painful, could never walk in the desired life that you have for yourself. Excuse me, it's getting a little bit dark, but I felt like I had to make this video today. So I appreciate you if you stayed till now. If you can give a thumbs up and like and share and subscribe, that would be much appreciated. But yeah, just hang in there, hang in there. You have to clear the old to make way for the new. And it's at that point where you're probably just about to cross the finish line, where you might say, well, 2025, if it didn't work in 2025, why would 2026 be any different? Do not fall into that pattern. What's asked of you is to keep pushing. Don't exhaust yourself. Don't overdo it and kill yourself. You've already done enough this year. So just be proud of everything you've done. Be proud, look back and think of all the things that you have done with the targets and the goals that you've set yourself. You've seen them through. You've done everything. And although you can't see the results right now, you will. I promise you, you will see the results. But it's just whether you can hang in there a little bit longer at the last stretch, which is always the most difficult. Are you going to push through and believe in yourself, or are you going to let all that effort that you've made over the last 11-12 months go to waste? And again, if you're watching this video, I believe that you have done everything that you can, and I really want you to be proud of that. You should really be proud of the efforts and the sacrifices you've made. And no, it may not reflect in the outside world just yet, but just know and trust in the knowing that sooner than later you will see your efforts pay off. Maybe 2026 is the year. Maybe 2025 wasn't the making of you, it was the breaking of you. The last bit of shit that had to be cleared away so you could finally step into your highest version of self. Trust in that knowing. All the trials and tribulations that you've been through, and you know deep down in your heart that what you've been through doesn't probably make sense and it doesn't reflect, but you're not walking the same path as everyone else. You're walking your own path. Be proud of that. Really be proud of yourself. And just around the corner, at a point when you've had enough, just know that everything's going to change for you. The only thing that's going to stop that change, and anyone who finally gets where they want to be, would have gone through some sort of struggle and strife and extra grit and determination to see it over the finish line. So please, if you're watching this video, don't give up now. 2025 might not have been your year, but one, it's not done yet, and two, 2026 has probably got your name written all over it. So let's stop the negative thoughts. Let's stop this, why does it never happen for me? I work harder than everyone else. You know, stop the blame game. I can do that myself, you know, and it's this, catch this thought. We're not going there. We're not going there. We're going in the right direction. We've been going the right direction for a long time now, and we're going to see it past the finish line. So again, if you like this video, or it did resonate with you, please give a thumbs up, and I'll come and catch up with you on the next video. Keep going, you've got this.